In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload a photo rather than a video to YouTube. Go to your YouTube application. Make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel. If you only have one YouTube account, you do not need to worry about this. You could go to your avatar here on the top right-hand side just to make sure. I'm going to upload this photo onto Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, my newest YouTube channel. Now, there are certain requirements currently in order to upload a photo to YouTube. I'll talk about that here in just a second. Click the plus sign, and you can see the bottom one down here that says create a post. This is what you want in order to upload a photo onto YouTube. Write whatever text that you want to in here, and then you can see two options. One looks like 3 bars, and then one looks like mountains. Click the mountains. Let's say I wanted to upload this one here for the Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. So go ahead and click that photo. And then on the top right-hand side here, I'm going to click next. And what's cool is you can actually select up to 5 images for each post. Once you've typed in the message that you want, you're going to go ahead and click post. And you can see right here, it's posted on Elite Fit with Andrea Jean 2 seconds ago. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this photo right here. I don't want that on there. Perfect. You can also schedule posts by clicking schedule a post. Type in whatever you want to and then follow the prompts. Now, when you post a picture on YouTube, it goes to what's called your community tab. It will turn into a community tab once you have 500 subscribers. If you do not yet have 500 subscribers, it will likely say discussion tab. Pay attention to this right here. It will take up to 1 week to see the community tab after passing 500 subscribers. The community tab may be available to other channels as we continue testing this feature. So if you are not yet seeing the community tab, perhaps you are not part of that experiment going on currently. Also, pay attention right here. If your channel's audience is set as made for kids, the community tab is turned off. You also can't create or view posts. I'm going to link a video in the description box below just so that you can check all the settings to make sure this is not one of the errors that you are running into. Where can you find these posts? You can find them under the Community tab and under the Content section of YouTube Studio. And if you do not yet have this YouTube Studio app, you want to make sure that you get that installed. Now, the application is great for so many different things. You can see that Content tab down here, videos, shorts, live, but there's not an option to see your community posts. So you want to make sure that you get desktop version of YouTube. I will also link a video in the description box below of how you can get desktop YouTube on your mobile device. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.